everyone, Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. So I am here with another unboxing for you guys. As you can see, it is from Coach Outlet, guys, and I am super excited for this unboxing, so we are going to jump right on into it. So while I'm doing the unboxing, guys, I want to share how I came across this bag. So I saw this particular bag on Woman Habits 84, so I'm contributing this to her because she shared this bag about 5 months ago, and she did share it in a different color. And when I saw it, I knew I wanted to pick this bag up, but I wasn't sure in what color I wanted this particular bag. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, then you already probably have an idea of what bag this is, because you guys know I only really like two particular bags from Coach right now. So if you can kind of guess what it is, let me know down in the comments. But let me go ahead and reveal to you guys how it came wrapped. So this is how it came wrapped. And you can probably tell what it is, but if not, let's go ahead and move the box out of the way, guys. I am so excited to see this bag. I have been stocking this bag in person, yes, for the last 5 months, y'all, because that's how long it took me to finally decide what color I wanted. So it is the regular size Coach Rowan in the signature blocked color, and I did pick it up in the color bold walnut and tan. So let me go ahead and take it out of the bag so I can see it up close and personal. And this is definitely a factory wrap bag. Coach does an amazing job with their factory wrapping. Ta-da! Y'all, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so let me take all the wrapping off. Alright guys, so I finally got all the wrapping off of it so we can take a up close look at it. So here we go. And y'all, I was debating between the gold, I believe it's saddle and tan, like light saddle and tan, and then this particular one. Now, we all know the walnut color came out, I believe, in 2025, and it was to replace the old signature print. And I did not have anything in a new signature print that they dropped, so I decided I wanted to get a Rowan in that. And when I saw this beauty, I had to pick her up. This is just absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I am so loving it. Now, of course, you got your tan signature C's here on the top handle portion. Absolutely gorgeous. You do get it here on the zipper pull as well too. And then you get that nice rich dark walnut color here with the large signature C's, which is so cute. And you get the smaller signature C's on the side, the larger ones on the back, and then again on the side you get the smaller ones. And then of course on the bottom you get the larger signature C's. Now we know that the medium-sized Rowans do not come with the feet anymore. It does have the gold hardware. You have the raised Coach hardware on here as well too. You get the hang tag, and it does say Coach on it, and I believe the hang tag is in the color black. And then you get your D-rings on the side where you can attach the crossbody. I love how the handles on the Rowan lay down nice and flat. Okay, and then of course you do get your zipper on the back. So that is the zipper. And you do get a pretty large zipper. I think I have my shop phone. It's an iPhone 6, so we'll see if that fits in there. And I think it'll fit standing up, but definitely not laying down. So if you do have a smaller phone, you can probably fit it in that pocket. But if you don't want it zipped up, it'll definitely stand up in that back zipper compartment as well too. So let's take a peek at the inside of this particular bag. Now, the price on this on the Coach outlet right now, I believe is $159. So that is what it's looking like in the inside. You do get the Coach Creed on the back wall. You do get a back zipper compartment as well too. So that is the back zipper compartment. And then on the front wall, you do get a nice large slip pocket. It's not a snap pocket like it is in the large Rowans. It's just a nice slip pocket. And then the interior on this one is a nice dark chocolate, which is so pretty. Now it does make it really hard to see in the interior of the bag, but it is a really pretty color to complement the outside of the bag. Now, as far as the measurements go for this particular bag, guys, the length of the bag is 10 inches. And then the height of the bag is 6.5 inches. And then the width of the bag is 5.5 inches. Now, your handle drop is 4.5 inches, and this is normally how I usually carry my Rowans, is by the top handle. But if you wanted to carry the crossbody or shoulder, which I will show that to you guys now, we'll go ahead and take this out so I can show you. It is in black. And it's not super thick, but it's also not really thin as well. So I think this will be pretty comfortable if you wanted to wear this on your shoulder. As a shoulder or as a crossbody. And the drop on that is 23 inches, guys. And I didn't show you guys the tag, so I'm gonna do that really quickly so you can see the name of the bag and the color, as well as the style number. And the style number for this bag is CY679. And I will pop all that up on the screen for you guys. But yeah, this is my beautiful Coach Rowan in the block signature print, y'all. I am absolutely loving this, and I'm so glad I finally have a bag from the new walnut signature collection. I am loving this nice dark signature. So I think I may end up having to pick up a city tote in this, guys. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, so let me know if you guys were able to pick up anything from the new walnut signature drop, and if you did, what bag did you pick up? Let me know down in the comments. And if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because it's absolutely free to you, as well as like this video, share, click that bell, guys. And until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.